I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Peugeot. As you can see, it's got this iPad kind of screen here. If we click on the direction arrow and the N, it brings up this sat nav screen. Now you've got menu in the corner here. If you click on menu, enter address. From the enter address screen, all I can see is you put the whole address in. If you try and put the postcode in, it won't allow you to search for a postcode. But if you go back and into search, point of interest, and our postcode is our address is Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. To get the numbers, you just have to click on that there. 5 4, back to letters, J S, and then click OK. And there you see it's Wantleydale, Preston, Chorley Road, Preston. Click on there. Add, and it's calculating. It's only asking me to add because I just put the same thing in when I was testing it. So that's it. That's how you set it. As I say, alternatively, if you go into menu, I can't see anywhere where you can enter a postcode, and if you try and put it in here, you can only put Preston in. Preston, like so. Preston, and then click OK. You've got to put the Chorley Road and then a number 277, and then click OK. Destination or stage, add.
After 90 yards, you are approaching your waypoint.
That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Peugeot. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth's on the phone. And just go down to the bottom here. On the actual screen itself, you see here, telephone, connect telephone, no telephones connected. So we click connect telephone. And there it's searching. It's picked up BT Peugeot already. I'll just wait for the car to pick the phone up, my phone to pick the car up. And there we go. So Barry's iPhone. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, confirm the code. Yep, the code's come up there, so yes on there and yes on there. And we want telephone and streaming on this occasion. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, yes. And OK there. And let's just see, BT Peugeot's connected there. So that's it, that's how you do it. I'll just show you how to stream music from the Bluetooth system in this 2018 Peugeot. So if we go to, let's have a look. If we play a record on here, you see at the bottom BT Peugeot, the triangle with the 3 circles there. If you click on that, there's a tick next to BT Peugeot. So whatever's in your phone will play through the system. If you go to audio there, you see there your choices. You've got sources, click sources, and you've got Bluetooth there. So if I turn Bluetooth up and then turn it up here, there you go. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Peugeot. So from any screen, if you hit the telephone key there, you see connect telephone, options, contacts. If you go into options, Bluetooth connection, quick messages. So Bluetooth connection, and it's showing there P9 Plus. Now nothing happens if you click on there, it tries to connect. What you have to do, see the icon at the top, you click the trash bin at the top and it gives you the option to delete this one. So click delete the selected Bluetooth device, yes. That's it gone.